Welcome to Makeup Without Limitations, where there is an encouraging word, and I hope and pray that you will learn something on this channel today. On this channel, I like it to be fun. I like to smile. I like to dance. I like to create fun eyeshadow, colorful eyeshadow, and easy eyeshadows. If this is something you love, please subscribe. I will be happy to have you. And remember, you can always hype this video and share it with someone else. I always appreciate you stopping by, and I want you to know that you are loved. Always. I'm going to go into a multi-chrome shimmer. I am using no glitter glue. I am just going to paste it as far as I need to. Today's item is all I need to do is to love myself more today than I did yesterday. Again, I am going to read out today's item. Please listen to it closely. It is very, very important that we do that for ourselves. All I need to do is to love myself more today, like now, today, than I did yesterday. You got it? We're loving ourselves more today than we did yesterday. We loved ourselves yesterday, but today we're loving on us more. I'm taking a brush so I can get higher up, closer to the brow bone with this color. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not ever, ever, ever give up on yourself. If you need help with anything in life, always, always reach out and do not be ashamed. Please reach out. This multi-chrome right here is what I have over the black. I took the black from the Lovers palette. This palette is beautiful. Always remember, I love you and you are enough. Thank you for choosing my video to watch. Stay blessed, be blessed, pray always. Small prayers, big prayers, whichever one you choose to do, it is okay. Stop judging yourself. Hype this video, thumbs up this video, and I will see you shortly. Bye.